thrilled that they're looking over us tonight. Answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home, I need a star to follow.